Didn't think we had a skunk anymore. If I go to the door, now I know who maybe turned the bowl. Yep, I know exactly who turned the bowl over of food. We got a baby skunk. See all the food laying on the front porch? That's from 2 different days. Couldn't get it swept up because it was too wet. Oh, I thought I smelled a baby skunk. Not a baby skunk, but I thought I smelled a skunk the other night. Well, how precious. So I guess it's a raccoon that I'm not seeing now. But that doesn't mean it's not been around. Well, I don't know where the glowing eyes are coming from on the opposite side, but I guess it's okay. Oh, there's Momo Kitty. Hi, Momo. Don't get squirted, okay? We didn't want the smell hanging around. That's exactly what... Hi, Paul. That's exactly what has knocked that food over. I wish it would eat what's on the porch. That's just wasteful. I gotta order cat food tonight. Well, there's Socks. There's Socks. Or there's Socks, excuse me. That might be Miss Braun right there. No. Well, there's another one. I guess I will need to put food out after Peppy gets through. No, I don't know if it's a man or a boy or a girl. I think the stripes have something. Hi, Socks. I think the stripe has something to do with it being male or female, but I'll have to look it up, I guess. Oh, that's Miss Braun. She got a half a mustache. Couldn't name her Hitler. She has half a mustache. My friend said, well, if she were a male, you could name her Hitler. And I said, I will name her Ms. Braun. I didn't want to use her first name because my neighbor, that's her first name. And she's just a hateful old witch. She didn't used to be. But, buddy, she is now. Y'all just gonna have to wait. And you do have food out there. That possum's gonna be eating for a while. Yeah. Sure is. But y'all do have food. I'll put some more out in your double dish, but it's going to be a while. Because I can tell you right now, this little girl is not coming out. Oh. Well, that's the highlight of the night, isn't it? Isn't it, Logan? You need to get down there and... Logan, why don't you get down there and watch the possum? Or shoot, not the possum. The skunk. Possum is all I've been seeing. Night, Momo Kitty, Paul, Ms. Braun, Socks, and Flower. That was Peppy, or is Peppy Le Pew's girlfriend. Flower. So we'll stick with Flower.